want to. I have to now. I have to now. This is bad.
Hey, y'all want to hit up Dave and Buster's? Oh, well, Dina, she gotta go. Oh, tomorrow? Excuse me, ma'am? Trying to put my little hottie dinkum tonight. Are you recording this? I do not need no evidence of the way I act to be showing at work, people.
Let's see, what can we get out of this?
I don't know. Yeah, we just so weird.
Why y'all gotta be recording a black person? This is racial. This is discrimination. I'm taking this to my lawyer. Keep recording. Discrimination Act 1.
Look, Christine stopped laughing after I did that.
I know.
You're not even freaking talking to anyone. She's acting.
I would turn around when she stops recording me. You're all fired.
I'm not fired.
Off the clock, you can't fire.
Off the clock.
I
Not
can't
on
fire
time.
you because you're the man and the woman of the house. Oh, you're fired.
I'm not fired.
I am too.
You're fired.
Why'd you say I am too?
I'm the man and the
can't
woman
fire
of the house.
Christine. I can't fire Tina. She's my workout buddy. Y'all fired and y'all can't get no unemployment because I ain't paying.
Yeah, I should go to scale today, right?